Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be covering this RF lifting. This removes wrinkles from your face, neck, and your chin. So this little device has 5 functions to meet your different needs. There's EMS, RF, red light, white light, and vibration. So first off, let's dive into the box. Alright, so let's go ahead and take off the box. This has 3 modes to meet your different needs. You've got RF, red light, LED mode 1, EMS, white LED mode 2, vibration mode 3. So this is the device. We're going to go put that to the side so we can see what comes in this box. This one is a little tricky. You'll have to pull it up. So in the box, you do get a user manual. You get the Android charger. So the 5 functions to meet your different needs. The EMS is used to stimulate muscles, increase the skin elasticity, and tighten the lines of your face and neck. The RF stimulates and regeneration and remodeling of the new collagen through subcutaneous heating while repairing and improving sagging and aging skin. So you have red light, which is that can stimulate cell activity, accelerate blood circulation, and help improve enlarged pores. The white light, laser light, can penetrate deep into the skin, accelerate metabolism, decomposing stains, and improve the fine lines and sagging skin. Vibration is a physical vibration, makes collagen fibers contract, speeds up muscle movement, promotes collagen restoration, blood circulation, and improves fine lines and wrinkles. So that's what tells you in this user manual. The 3 modes to meet your needs. The RF plus red light is mode 1. EMS white light is mode 2. Vibration is mode 3. So this can be used on your face and your neck. You apply some skincare product. Long press 2 seconds to open it up. Charge the mode you want. Lifting the massage. You'll do it slowly. So this is in this book will tell you how to use this. So the white light is supposed to help deep into the skin, accelerating therapy to help with fine lines and wrinkles. There's your power button. There is your up and down, so that will change the modes. And the intensity, this will change the intensity from 1 to 3. So this is the red light. The red light is supposed to stimulate activity and accelerate blood circulation. So you'll just put it on your face just like this. I'm going to do it with my hand just for demonstration purposes. So you do that to your neck and your face. So the white light laser, it can penetrate deep into the skin, accelerate metabolism, decompose stains, and improve fine lines and sagging skin. So if you want to do the EMS, you can actually feel it pulsating on your skin. So the EMS is supposed to stimulate muscles, increase the skin's elasticity, and tighten the lines of the face and neck. So if you have it in one spot too long, it actually heats up and it kind of hurts because it's hot. So you just want to take it and move very slowly. You can go up and down, and this is supposed to help. They say you'll see results within 2 to 3 weeks. It is recommended doing it a few times a week for 10 minutes. You just move it up and down like this. And it'll penetrate your skin, help those sagging wrinkles, sagging skin and wrinkles, tightens up and firms your skin. So once you start using this, you'll feel that it is warm to the touch. You do not want to keep it in one area for too long or it'll heat up too hot. Not too hot that'll burn your skin, but to a level that's uncomfortable. So these metal things right here is what warms it up. It penetrates that can stimulate cell activity. It can help with blood circulation and improve enlarged pores. So if you have a lot of pores, this is a great thing to help shrink them down. You can see that the body style, it's nice and sleek and thin. It's very discreet. You could take it with you anywhere you want. It is a rechargeable battery. You got on the side right here to plug in the charger, so it's easy for on the go. So if you're looking for something to help with stimulate muscles and increase skin elasticity and tighten the lines of your face and neck and help remove the fine lines and wrinkles, I'd say go ahead and check out this RF lifting. It is a really nice device.